nongialam ka sengbhalang Achik Holistic Awakening Movement AHAM nagilom Garo kilalit jurip ika government LP school shnong Wakebokgre hapoh Gasuapara Development Block South Garo Hills but shem dalagi jong khmat bakani ka skul kamdon Nonghikai mynta Lai Snem tam Baroh ki kamra skul kila thylli ki khynnah hakani shnong kimlit skul shuh namar dan mano ban hikai yaki Clinton R Marak, General Secretary, pynpaw ka jingkthang shem banyu bagi khynnah hagani shnong kilapoi hadu Newport hadu bandadu leit skul tang nakadabom don Nonghikai. Pynpaw ru ka jing angnut nakabenta kalawai jong kajat benriu Achik kan poi shano ladaya ka hoklong bril jong ki khynnah red banyo jingkthang hagi skul la pendu no iki da ka sarkar ka bamla banthung Nonghikai hakani ka skul la palat Lai Snem mynta.
Baby kita iko may bakit mo di fat teacher ang ko ye de group de chu ko ba class nasari ni 5 na de extend khatam na group lang de ya namati sungai ase me nang de ya mamati nasari ni hamdri Mayroon ba na sa din jaman sa ating KG dunga 1 dunga 2 dunga 3 dunga 4 dunga 5 dunga sakjaw na rin sakjaw pattabel Shillong ni Achik kura nigi bishung ga sakjaw department na ya raja jini kolgre sa kolgre kuni ke patan kala kuni raja jini kuni kala kuni uja kuni sa raja jini kolgre pura kapto an kolgre sa kolgre na mamang bishung ni kita khe ka jok mo gurmen ni miltiria jam tawnde khubole nama niat ken dakit ken rang kata kana chu nirok kija manta de chiskuna khangone nirokja bishong teacherang bari ba chu My name is Clinton R Marak. I'm a General Secretary of Achik Holistic Awakening Movement, AHAM CB Headquarters, Tura. Today we inspect the Wakebokgre Government LP School, which is located under Gasuapara Block area, South Garo Hills district. And we found that Wakebokgre LP School has been left with more than 3 years, I think 3 years without teacher. And some of the villagers inform us that this school has been abandoned almost 4 years. So sorry to say that teachers should be attentive, active, regular, and not an administrative burden, because this kind of negligence are demoralizing the students as well as parents, and actually it stops the full villagers students' future. Therefore, I'd like to request the Honorable Education Minister Sri Rakam Sangma, Deputy Commissioner of South Garo Hills District Sri Sivans Awasti, as well as District School Inspector to look into this matter as much as possible, because we wanted to see the infrastructure, institution infrastructure development in every corner of the district, which truly reflects the quality of teaching and learning in every schools, whether the institutions or schools are from the rural area or urban area. And furthermore, I'd like to request or urge each and every one of the Meghalaya citizens, especially the grown-up youngsters and parents, please raise your voice in such kind of issues and problems, because we cannot get change or improve until and unless we seek for help. Therefore, raise your voice in such kind of issues, fight for the justice and support the administrative. Thank you.